Quick PSA, do not injure yourself by using the ThinkPad TrackPoint incorrectly, okay? Don't do what I do. It's kind of bad. This part of my hand's starting to kind of hurt. I'm not blaming Lenovo, okay? They didn't tell me to do it one-handed. This little red thing here, I use it all day, every day, sometimes for like 8 hours, like a crazy person. So, got a very mouse-driven workflow. So what I'll do, there's 3 buttons down here, left, middle, and right. I'll grab this middle one here, have just one hand on, do a little pinching motion, and be like, you know, scrolling through stuff, click in. I should be doing that with 2 hands, like, you know, right pointer finger on it, maybe left thumb on that, or my other pointer finger, just something safe, because this one-handed stuff, you should stay away with it, okay? Just don't one-hand a TrackPoint. I have no proof, I can't prove anything, it's just starting to strain a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. So, to kind of put this to rest a little bit, I do a little song here with Osu. Gonna make sure this works with one hand, and kind of retire the one hand because it's not safe, okay? I might switch to 2 hands actually. I'm a little bit nervous about this. Let's see. It's not easy, okay? It's not easy. Getting used to using 2 hands. You know what? I'll start here. I'll do 2 hands here. Not a great start. No. I intend to do this whole song. Thanks for asking. This is not doable. No. Who could have foreseen this? Practice safe track pointing, please. Please, for my sake. For Sand's sake. Never actually got this ending. Beat Undertale like twice and just never came back to get the meme song. Very non-committal runs. This is what you should play in your browser at work. Just putting that out there.